Hello, my dear friends. I'm Dr. Nishchal Shrestha, and I am back with my new video. And in this video, I will be talking about SPSS. I'll discuss the very basic things, not just basic things, but the things that you need to know to analyze your data in your research. The research could be a cross-section study, or it could be an analytical study. Okay, so and in this video I'm going to focus on these 6 topics. These are grouping of age, finding the frequency of sex, finding the mean of age, and then comparing the mean duration of one technique with another, and there are 2 other comparisons. Okay, and I have data in SPSS. So I took a data from an experiment about comparison between laser therapy and pneumatic lithotripsy in clearing the ureteric stone, mid ureteric versus distal ureteric stone. Okay, so here are variables like age, sex, stone laterality, site. Some were in distal ureter and some in mid ureter, and the size of stones in mm, and the mode of intervention. P stands for pneumatic lithotripsy, L stands for laser, and then success of intervention, yes, written stone. So I've written in a simplified way in success variables, Y stands for yes, and for no, so Y and no, yes, no, yes, no. Okay, and then OT duration, how much it took for the particular type of intervention, and this is in minutes. Okay, so let's begin. So first I will be talking about grouping of age, how to do grouping. Okay, so here is the age variable, and these are age in years. So first patient is 33 years old, second is 23, and the decimal numbers, there are 2 decimal numbers. You can change this. You have to do is just go and click in the variable view button, and then go in the age section, and then here is the decimal. Here here is written 2. You can decrease and you can bring down into 0. Okay, so here you can change the decimal number. Okay, so how to group the age? It's very simple. You just click into the transform here in the transform section, and then you go into visual pinning, and then click age, and then click this arrow. Okay, so age will occur, and then click continue. Now this occurs. So here you can see minimum it is written 17 and maximum 62. So we have group of people. The age starts from 17 years of age, and then the maximum age in our study was of 62 years old age. Okay, so what we need to do to group is, so here is an option. So first you just write down the name of the new column that is going to appear after you do grouping. So in bin variables you should write the name. Suppose I'm going to write age and slash group. So this name will be appear in a separate column of this group of age group. Okay, so just now you have to, what you have to do is you just click here in make cut points. Okay, so what you need to do is you how many groups you want to make. So suppose and the important thing is which how much the gap you want to put. Suppose here in the width you can put 15, means the age groups of 15 years gap, and then number of cut points. Suppose you want to make 4 groups, then you should write 3. Okay, you will see why it happens. So okay, now you just need to apply, and then here are 2 options, whether you want to put that inclusion or just greater than equals to or lesser than equals to, or you don't, if you don't want to put that, you just click here. Okay, so I'm including the digit got point. So this, now just click make labels. Here appears your group, age groupism. Okay, so first group is less than equals to 17 years of age, and then second group 18 to 32, then next 33 to 47, and then next group will be age group more than 48 years. Okay, so you just click OK, and then your new age group will appear here. See, it has appeared here as age group, and these are the numbers. You can see what are these, 3, 2, 1. You just click over here in the variable view, and then where is age group? Here it is, age group. Here you can see the values. Okay, so 1 stands for the age group less than equals to 17, and 2 stands for the age group between 18 to 32, and 3 stands for the group the age group between 33 to 47, and 4 stands for the age group more than 48. Okay, so in this way you can create the age group. Okay, now the second topic is the frequency of sex. Okay, means the how many males are there and how many females are there. Okay, so what you need to do is just click here in the analyze section, and then there's descriptive statistic, and then you just need to click over the frequencies. Now here okay, suppose in the beginning this box will be empty, so the frequency of which variable you want to get, you just click over there, and then just click over in this click here in this sex part, and then click in this arrow, and then it will appear. And then in statistic, just for frequency you don't need to do anything. If you want to build bar charts, or if you want to build pie charts, you can choose. I just chose none, and then these are not of useful, so you just click OK. Now your frequency occurs here. See, F stands for females. There are 52 females and there are 78 males, and total 130 patients. Okay, so this was about finding the frequency. Now the third topic is mean of age. Okay, so with our age, here it is. So just click over here analyze part, and then click here in the descriptive statistic, and then go into descriptives. Here you will see there's this box is empty, and there are options. So if you want to find the age mean, just click here and then click in this arrow, or you can just bring this one like that, just carry it. Okay, and now there is option, you just click over mean, and then there is standard deviation also. If you want to find that, you can choose that also. Okay, so now continue and then OK. So here comes your mean is 33.75 years, and the standard deviation 10 means 33.75 plus minus 10. Okay, so this is your mean age. Okay, so now the third topic is fourth topic is comparing the mean duration of pneumatic lithotripsy versus laser. Okay, so what we need to do is, okay, so first in comparison, what you need to do is just find out what kind of variables are there. If it's categorical only, the two variables are categorical only, then you should apply chi-square. And if the two variables, if one is categorical and another one is numerical, then you should apply t-test. Okay, so here mean duration is, duration means in number, that is numerical, and this pneumatic lithotripsy and laser, these are the categorical. Okay, so now just okay, so let's click again in this analyze part. So we are going to do t-test now. Okay, so there is one option here, compare means, and then there is independent samples test. You just click there, and now, so what is our test variable and grouping variable? So grouping variable would be our that pneumatic versus laser. So you just bring this mode of intervention over here, and you should define groups. Just put pneumatic lithotripsy in group 1, and then put laser in group 2. Okay, so click continue, and then test variable, what we are going to compare, the OT duration. Okay, so just carry this over here. Okay, so nothing to do now, just you have to click OK. Okay, so here is our the mean duration for pneumatic lithotripsy is 28.89, standard deviation plus minus 8.26, and lithotripsy, the mean duration of OT to do not lithotripsy, laser therapy is 22.93 plus minus standard deviation 6. Okay, so we were just comparing. We're going to find out the p value. Comparison means finding p value. Okay, so where is this two tail significance? Yes, it's two tail. So this is the p value less than 0.001. So it is less than 0.005. That is significant. So there is the difference between the mean duration of OT between pneumatic and laser is highly significant. Means the OT duration for pneumatic lithotripsy was of 28.89 minute, and then laser would take just 22.93 minute, and the difference is highly significant. Okay, because the p value is less than 0.005, that is 0.001, less than 0.001. You just need to look here in the two tail significance. Okay, so this was the comparison between categorical and numerical. So now our next topic is the site of stone versus pneumatic and laser technique. Means we are going to compare the technique used for the site of stone, means whether the stone was in mid ureter or it was in distal ureter. So these variables are both categorical. So we need to use chi-square test. Now what we should do is click in the analyze part, and to find out the chi-square you can use two things. You can do either you can go here in the descriptive statistic and click here in this cross tab, and then you just put your variables here and then compare. And the better option is you can draw a table, and you can just let's clear this one, just reset. Okay, so I was going to compare the site versus mode of intervention. Okay, so what you need to do is just carry this one and put here in the column, and then the site. Okay, okay, so let's carry this one in here in the row. So both are categorical, so we should apply chi-square test here. Just choose this option, and okay, now it will appear here. So here is the laser therapy was used for 35 cases of distal ureteric stone, and pneumatic lithotripsy also 35, and 30 laser intervention was done in laser intervention was done in 30 cases of mid ureteric stone, and also the pneumatic lithotripsy was carried out in 30 mid ureteric stone case. Okay, and comparison with this site, here is the significance. It's 1, it's not significant. Okay, here it came as 1, so it is not significant. It should be less than 0.005. Okay, now what is left now? So now we need to compare the success of stone clearance in pneumatic versus laser. Okay, so we have to compare now success. So where is our, okay, so here is okay, so analyze part, and then we are going to compare success. Okay, so just make another table, custom table, and then just click in the table part. So mode of intervention would remain same. Just take this site out here, and then bring success here, and again follow the same, just test and statistic. We have already chosen this chi-square. Now just click OK. So yeah, see, in the laser therapy, success was in 63 cases, and the pneumatic lithotripsy success cases were 56 in number. And see, the chi-square comes 0.005 0 to 7, you have to look this part significant, not this above one. Just look here in this significant part. This is the p-value, okay, for chi-square, and it is 0.027, and it is less than 0.005, so it is significant. Okay, so we covered all our topics for today, and so I need to cover up this video now. I need to I've already discussed about the basic things, so these are all the things you should know before doing any data analysis in your resources. Okay, so this was all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye bye.